Good morning. Here we are in the Yarn Genie studio, and today we're going to start looking at brioche, and we've got a brioche tutorial pattern. So I'm going to introduce you to the things that you can make with the pattern, and let's get started. So the pattern that we've got, the brioche pattern, makes a lovely set of wrist warmers. I've just got one of each here, and there's 3 different brioche patterns here that you can make up from our tutorial pattern. Which one you do is completely up to you, but the patterns all make up this lovely double-sided thick scrummy fabric. Look, here's a brioche wrist warmer. This is really warm actually. I kind of don't want to take it off. It's a very cold day here today. But you can have them in different patterns, different colorways. Of course, that choice is up to you. But what we're going to make up is this, we're going to create this flat piece of fabric in the colorways, and then we will sew it up, make it up down the side, making up a section here and a section here, leaving a gap for the thumb, and that makes a fabulous fingerless glove wrist warmer kind of piece. So the pattern is going to show you first of all how to create this single colour brioche. Now brioche it's a technique. You don't really need to know much more than how to knit and purl, but it also becomes quite daunting. You look at these lovely twisty turny patterns and they're fabulous, and they do look really complicated to create. I guess if you started knitting those straight from scratch, you might find that a little bit daunting. But actually, if we can work up to it, then it's fairly straightforward. So that's what we're going to do with these patterns. We're going to start with single colour brioche. We're going to work up to 2 coloured vertical striped brioche. And then we're going to add in the twists and turns so that you learn the techniques you need to be able to do brioche. So this pattern is written for somebody who's never done brioche before. So if you're a complete novice for it, this is the pattern for you. You can get going, you can learn how to do this and have lots of fun in doing it. If of course you're an experienced brioche knitter, but you just like our patterns and you want to have a go, that's brilliant. You can do that too.